How to caulk a toilet base. You're gonna need a caulk gun, caulk, and a paper towel or something to wipe the caulk off with. So we're gonna put the caulk in the caulk gun, make sure this lever is all pulled out all the way. Take the caulk. And then press this in as far as you can. So I used a screw to put into the end of this caulk tube to keep it from drying out, but I always like to squeeze a little bit out just to make sure there's no dirty caulk at the end of this, so we can get just clean white caulk. I'm gonna caulk the toilet base. Start in the back, kind of at the corner here. You don't want to start at the dead center because we're gonna leave this without caulk. You want to leave a little bit of space without caulk, so in case there's a leak, water will flow out the back here and won't be trapped like under the toilet and go between the floorboards and the PVC pipe, like into the drywall, into the ceiling, into the people below you, or wherever the water will flow and ruin things. Just want a thin bead. Not too much, not too little. Stop there. Sometimes you have to pull these out of the caulk gun to make sure that caulk doesn't continuously get pushed out of the end. This caulk gun's not like that, thankfully. But then you'll take your finger, any finger, and just run your finger across the caulk, or between the floor and the toilet. And it should look something like that. I hate caulking, but I do a decent job, I guess. Other side, same thing. Back, get that. And just take the caulk from your finger and wipe it on a paper towel. Sometimes you gotta go back and hit spots that don't have enough, like here. Once you're done, put the screw back into the caulk tube or nail or whatever you like to use to plug the caulk tube so that they don't dry out. I like to use screws because they're usually just lying around.